Hi! In front of me is Nokia C31 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. First of all, go into Settings. Now click on Connected Devices, choose Connection Preferences and tap on Printing. Following that, click on Default Print Service right away and wait. Your device is now looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it right away. If you wish to use different print service though, you need to disable this one by tapping on this switcher and click on the back button. Now click on Add Service instead and install the best printing service for you. When it's ready, click on the back button twice. Just click on your service and wait as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!